Hello everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Nanjing, China. I just got off the metro station line 5. Right now I'm over by Hunan and I'm kind of just exploring. I haven't been over here in a while. And I want to singing. I want to take her over to Xuanwu, but it's quite a walk from there carrying her. So yeah, took a little detour down this alley to get out of the traffic. There's a huge construction site on that road. And I've actually never walked down this alley, so let's just see what we see. Nanjing is full of like these interesting back alleys that go through these communities. There's like little markets and stuff back here. Little spots to exercise. And you're gonna see where actual people live. You know, want to dance a little bit? Look, there's people dancing over here. Let's go dance a little bit. You want to dance? Yeah, 小老外来了. Yeah. 跳舞. You want to dance? You want to dance? There's music. Hear the music? 安抚自己. Want to dance? 啊，他几个月了？
快11个月了。
哦，个子蛮高的，他18个月。哦。哎，给礼物。哎呀，他不要了，他不要了。18个月。
18个月，我就是走。
Go dance. Dance, 跳舞。There's no music over there, was there, Celia? Celia likes to dance to music. Let's see. Let's continue on our journey. Should be this way, I think. Let's go. Yeah, so this is one thing I'm definitely going to miss. And Chinese people are just so friendly and curious. Yeah. All right, so we are here. We're at Xuanwu Gate. See, check this out. Oh. See, look. Look at this gate. Wow. Cool. Yeah. Want to run around? Look at this place, Celia. Is this cool? Let's walk around over here. Oh, yeah. Go in the shade. Over here there's a nice little shaded area. Stay out of the heat. You ready, say? Let's go. Ooh, look at this. That's pretty good. Hopefully she's in a good mood. She wants to dance. Ooh, looks good. You wanna dance? Oh. Ooh. Yeah, dance. 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 Go over there. It's okay. Say hello. Yeah. Just covered in my sweat. Yeah. Wanna sit? This is one of my favorite spots in the park. Yeah, we're going here. Say hello. Say hello, blow kisses. Yeah, say blow kisses, baby. Yeah. Say, do you want to run around? Say, look at this, look. Say, look. Celia, look. Look at this place. Is this cool? Is this cool? Want to get down? Yeah. Gotta be careful though, because there's an edge. You gotta be careful, okay? Don't run. That's a tree there. Careful, okay? Don't run. Say hello to everyone. Say hello. Yeah. Oh, don't. Oh. Careful. 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 Be careful, okay? You don't want to be that careful. And Xiaxin, this way. This way. Yeah. Say hello. Blow kisses at everyone. Oh, you found a friend. Want to sit down? Sit down. Say hello. Yeah.
和妹妹打招呼。
Yeah. You're a ham.
小时候要的漂亮的。
他几个月？
他22个月。
啊，他18个月了。18个月，是吧？Celia.
帮妹妹握握手，帮妹妹握个手。
Shake her hand. Yay!
你好。
他会讲话吗？
会。
Hello. 你好。
妹妹好。
Oh, Celia, do you like her? Do you like her? Yeah.
妹妹好，你看妹妹，宝宝看妹妹。
Yeah. 你喜欢她的头发吧？她的头发很漂亮，对吧？是吧 ？Yeah. Oh, Celia, you're so cute. Want to get down and run around? All right, want to get down? She's so funny. She always likes to. She especially likes other little girls. She'll go over and give them a hug. Last night she gave a little girl a kiss on the sidewalk. It was very funny. Just don't know how their parents will react. Some strange little baby coming over and kissing their kid. Celia, you're so funny. Hello. Celia, say hello. Blow a kiss. Wanna sit down? All right. Celia, say hello. Yeah. 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 That's paper. It's paper. 他能听懂中文。Wanna get down? 要下来吗？ All right. Yay! Look at the instrument. Careful. It's okay. Celia, go this way. Celia, go this way. This way. We're going this way. This way. Dance. Is that fun? That was fun, wasn't it? You want to go back that way and continue walking that way? You want to go this way? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Yeah, blow a kiss. Yeah. Careful. Like that. She's too funny. That's the first time that she's ever seen like people actually playing instruments live like that. It's funny. Very funny. All right, let's go this way. Go this way. Go this way. Go this way. And you still feel that music, don't you? So if you ever come to Nanjing, I really highly recommend you come here. Pretty much every time people come to Nanjing, I try to take them here. Even though I think the islands in the middle of the lake are also really beautiful, I think this is really a unique spot because the Nanjing City Wall is right there, and like these trees and stuff, it's just really beautiful in here. It's a very unique place in Nanjing. So yeah, definitely come here. And it's Celia's first time here too, isn't it? It's your first time. Yeah, you have fun, don't you? Yeah, keep going. Don't stop. Yeah. Xuanwu Lake is, I think it's the most popular spot for tourists coming to Nanjing anyway, but I don't know if everyone makes it to this spot. Everyone goes to the islands, which are also really beautiful, but say hello. Yeah. Blow a kiss. Blow kisses, yeah. Yeah, that's a train. That's a train, not a car. That's a train. Yeah, but it looks like a car actually. You're right. It sort of is like a car, a bus, like a train. Isn't it? Go left, go left, go left. Celia. Celia, what do you think of that gate? On the move. On the move. Does that look good? There's your flowers. Oh, you want to steal a flower? All right, take one flower and then go. Go. Hey, that's not very nice. So this is Xuanwu Gate. It's probably, I gotta think it's the most famous gate, or the second most famous gate of the Nanjing City Wall. Maybe Zhonghua is more famous, for sure. What do you think, Celia? You have a flower? She's busy. Celia, do you want to go on the boats? Yeah, those boats look fun, don't they? We got a good view of Zifeng over here on one side of the lake. These are all islands here in the middle. Yeah. I know, but we can't. Not today, okay? Not today. Can't go today, okay? Alright, I'm going to end the video here. It is hot. It's getting hot. And I need to take her back. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Celia, blow a kiss. Bye-bye. 说谢谢. Yeah, good job, Celia. All right, see you guys in the next one.